You know that moment when you're lining up a cabinet handle and you're hoping, really hoping, you measured it right? The Milescraft 1340 HardwareJig completely takes that stress away. You just clamp it in place, slide the guides to your measurements, and drill with confidence. Every knob and pull ends up perfectly centered and aligned like you had laser vision. It doesn't matter if it's your first install or your 50th. This jig brings total consistency to your work. The setup is fast, the results are clean, and you'll never dread hardware installs again. It's compact, folds away neatly, and fits right into your everyday kit. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever did without it. Seriously, this little guy saves time and sanity. You've got a stack of plywood leaning against the wall, and every time you pull a sheet, you risk a dent, or worse, your back. That's where the Grizzly T3407 lumber plywood cart earns its keep. Roll it over, tilt the panel in, and just like that, you've taken the weight off your shoulders. Its angled base keeps everything stable, and those smooth casters glide like butter across the shop floor. When you're done moving, it locks in place and becomes a storage rack. You're organizing, transporting, and protecting your materials all in one go. It's the kind of tool that quietly does the heavy lifting so you can stay focused on the build. No assistance, no hassle, no wasted motion. Just smart, solid shop support that keeps you moving. The router table can be your best friend or your biggest frustration, depending on your fence setup. But with the Woodpeckers SFPRO Universal Router Table Fence, things finally click into place. You get laser-tight alignment with tool-less adjustments that feel smooth and exact. Slide it, lock it, micro-adjust it. It stays put and delivers clean, repeatable cuts every time. Whether you're shaping edges or cutting grooves, the dust port keeps your line of sight clear. It fits most router tables and makes your workflow feel seamless, almost like the fence knows what you're about to do. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, it's built to stay true for years. You'll spend less time fiddling and more time creating. This is precision you can actually feel in your fingertips. Drawer slides can be tricky to install just right, but not with the Milescraft 1341 DrawerJig in your setup. It's like having a second pair of hands that never miss a mark. You clip it to the cabinet frame, align the drawer box, and boom. Everything's square, level, and ready to glide. No more measuring 5 times or balancing drawers on shims. It's built tough, folds flat, and gets you perfect slide placement every single time. Whether you're working on kitchen cabinetry or custom storage, this jig gives you speed and accuracy in one go. It's a confidence booster for beginners and a time saver for pros. Once it's in your workflow, you won't build drawers without it. Fast, clean, dialed-in installs every time. Dust in the shop? It's not just annoying, it's dangerous. Enter the Laguna Blux dust extractor, your silent, powerful ally against fine airborne particles. This compact unit packs serious suction in a sleek, mobile frame. The 1-micron canister filters out even the stuff you don't see, keeping lungs clear and surfaces clean. It's perfect for tight spaces and small shops, yet still delivers pro-level performance. The quick-release drum makes emptying a breeze, and the noise level stays surprisingly low. It connects easily to planers, saws, and sanders, creating a cleaner workflow from start to finish. No more clouds of dust chasing you around the shop. Just clean air, clear vision, and a setup that works as hard as you do. If you've ever fed a rough board through a planer, you know the mess it can make. But the Grizzly G099915 Benchtop planer turns that chaos into smooth precision. This machine brings serious horsepower and a spiral cutterhead that chews through hardwood like butter. The finish? Glassy smooth, right off the rollers. Its compact footprint doesn't take over your bench, but the results feel industrial grade. The spiral design reduces tear out and noise while extending blade life. It's built tough, easy to adjust, and handles wide boards with ease. Whether you're resurfacing old lumber or prepping fresh stock, this planer delivers consistent, high-quality results. Quiet, clean, and incredibly efficient, this is your secret weapon for buttery boards. When you're reaching for the right bit and wasting time digging through a cluttered box, the Wolfcraft Bitbox Crosshead steps in to clean up your act. This compact case keeps your Phillips bits organized, easy to grab, and ready to roll. Each bit clicks into place with a satisfying snap, so they don't rattle around or go missing mid-project. The magnetic bit holder gives you quick access and secure hold while you work. Built for durability, the bits stay sharp and reliable through job after job. Whether you're assembling furniture, driving screws into hardwood, or fixing up the house, this box keeps pace. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but smart enough to keep your day running smooth. A little organization goes a long way, and this box delivers it in style. Stair work demands accuracy, and the Gohelper Stair Tread Template tool makes sure every cut lines up like a pro did it. Whether you're working with tricky angles or uneven walls, this tool adjusts effortlessly to match the exact shape of each step. No guesswork, no wasted boards, just measure, lock, and trace. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and gives you that clean, tight finish that makes a staircase look custom-built. The aluminum arms and precision knobs hold their place as you move from one tread to the next. Perfect for remodelers or new builds, this tool turns complex angles into simple outlines. Even if stairs aren't your specialty, this template gives you pro-level results. One cut, one fit, no redos. That's how steps should be done. Few tools make you feel as powerful as the Makita LS1110F slide compound miter saw. This beast glides through wood with the smoothness of silk and the power of a pro shop. The dual bevel action gives you insane versatility, while the LED light casts a sharp shadow line for pinpoint cuts. Need miters? Done. Crosscuts? Easy. Crown molding. Nailed it. It's built like a tank but cuts like a scalpel. The soft start motor reduces recoil and the electric brake gives you instant blade stop for safety. Every cut feels controlled. Every angle locks with confidence. This saw earns its place on the bench, whether you're framing, finishing, or doing precise trim work. It's not just a tool, it's a Makita masterpiece. Every great project needs a solid foundation, and the UJK Sawhorses are exactly that. Strong, stable, and ready for anything. These aren't your wobbly, throwaway stands. They're built from high-quality materials that hold firm under serious weight. The legs lock securely, giving you confidence whether you're sawing, sanding, or assembling. They fold flat when the job's done, saving space without compromising durability. Use them solo or pair them up to create an instant portable workbench. Non-slip rubber feet keep them planted, even on slick shop floors. The design is clean, the build is pro-grade, and the versatility is endless. From rough carpentry to detailed finishing, these sawhorses always show up steady and strong. Lining up perfect angles shouldn't feel like guesswork, and with the Jessim Quick Angle Square, it never does. This speed square is milled from solid aluminum, giving it serious heft and accuracy that you can feel. Laser-etched markings stay sharp after years of use, and the integrated fence helps you align and mark with total confidence. Whether you're squaring boards, marking rafters, or checking tool setups, this square holds its own in every task. It's compact enough for your tool belt, but rugged enough for full-time shop duty. You'll reach for it constantly, and not just because it looks great. It's a square that stays square, job after job. Precision meet portability. The Empire Level EU E95 series. True Blue Ultra View. LED levels make seeing your lines in low light feel like turning on a spotlight. Built with LED-lit vials, this level glows bright when visibility drops. Perfect for dim garages, basements, or night installs. The aluminum frame is strong and straight, and the E-band vials offer top-tier accuracy on every check. Press the button and the lights kick in, powered by replaceable batteries tucked into the frame. Magnetic edges let you stick it to metal surfaces while keeping both hands free. It's rugged, water-resistant, and designed to take job site abuse without flinching. You've never seen a level this easy to read, or this tough. It's more than level, it's lit. When you need to keep everything aligned perfectly while drilling pocket holes, the Trend Pocket Hole. Alignment clamp steps in to keep things tight and right. This clever clamp locks your workpieces into place with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that your pocket holes line up flawlessly every time. It's easy to adjust, and its smooth, ergonomic handle lets you clamp down with minimal effort. Whether you're working on a quick repair or a detailed build, this clamp makes sure your work stays steady, your joints stay tight, and your projects stay on track. The strong steel body and anti-slip pads hold up under heavy use, and its compact size means it's easy to store when not in use. A game changer for anyone who relies on pocket hole joinery. Get it right, first time, every time. No workshop is complete without a reliable set of great neck precision bar clamps, and these are built for performance. With adjustable arms that lock in place, you can easily clamp up large or irregular pieces with total control. The steel bars are engineered for strength, and the large padded jaws hold your project securely without marring the surface. Whether you're gluing panels, securing joints, or just holding things in place while you work, these clamps have your back. The quick release mechanism ensures you won't waste time fiddling with it when you're moving to the next part of the build. Plus, the comfort grip handle makes for smooth operation every time. Precision, power, and reliability, all packed into one powerful tool. There's a reason Harvey Alpha Series Big Eye table saws are so popular among serious woodworkers, and it's all about the details. This saw is built like a tank, but operates with the smooth precision of a finely tuned instrument. The large, ergonomic table gives you plenty of workspace, and the powerful motor drives through hardwood like it's nothing. But the real magic is in the Big Eye blade guard that provides superior visibility, making those fine cuts easier to manage. The fence is quick to adjust and locks in firmly, so you can rely on it to stay true with every cut. If you're after absolute precision and long-term durability, this table saw has your name written all over it. Heavy duty? Yes. High accuracy? Absolutely. The Jet Joss S Oscillating Spindle. Sander takes sanding to a whole new level. Unlike traditional sanders that simply spin, this beauty oscillates as it works, providing smoother finishes and reducing heat buildup. It's perfect for getting into tight corners, curves, and edges that are tough to reach with a belt sander or drum sander. With multiple spindle sizes, you can customize your sanding to fit whatever project you're working on, whether it's small-scale detail work or larger, more intricate curves. The powerful motor keeps things moving, while the quick-change spindle system lets you swap out sizes on the fly. Cleanup is a breeze with the dust collection port, and the heavy-duty cast-iron base keeps everything stable and secure. If you're after precision and efficiency in your sanding, the Joss S is an absolute must-have in your shop. When it comes to edging, the Festool Edge Banderka 65 Plus Conturo makes sure every piece is finished to perfection. This compact edge bander delivers smooth, professional results without the hassle of larger industrial machines. It heats up quickly, applies edge banding with absolute precision, and even trims excess material neatly in one motion. You'll love how it's easy to move around your workshop. Its lightweight design and integrated handle make it simple to maneuver. Perfect for small batches, DIY projects, or professional cabinetry, this tool ensures clean, fast, and durable edge work. Whether you're working with wood, veneer, or laminate, this tool gives your projects that factory-level finish every time. Fast, efficient, and precise. This is edging made easy. For clean, accurate drilling on Undermount sink installations, the Rockler Jigit Undermount Drilling Guide is a game changer. Say goodbye to the guesswork and trial and error that often come with these kinds of tasks. The Precision Guide holds your drill bit at the perfect angle, ensuring your holes are aligned and drilled cleanly. It's designed to be super easy to use, with adjustable settings to accommodate a variety of sink types. The guide also features a handy dust port to keep your workspace clean while you drill. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional installer, this tool makes the job faster, cleaner, and more accurate. No more crooked holes or misaligned sinks, just perfect, secure mounting every time. The Infinity Tools. DIY Quick Snap. Dust Separator is a simple yet incredibly effective tool that transforms the way you handle dust collection. This compact separator catches larger debris and dust before it even reaches your dust extractor, saving you time on cleaning and maintaining filters. Its snap-on design makes it easy to add to your existing setup, and the quick release mechanism means you can empty it without the usual mess. Whether you're working with a table saw, sander, or planer, this dust separator helps keep your workspace clean and your equipment running smoothly. No more clogged filters or dust clouds, just clean air and better airflow. For small shops or DIYers, this is the perfect way to keep things tidy without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.